G'day, I'd just like to do a quick little demonstration today on fan performance. When you purchase an exhaust fan, there'll be a rating on a box. Now that rating is a free air performance, so it'll be without duct and fittings or without a grill fitted. So I'm more or less taken a fan like this, measured the airflow here, and said that's how much air the fan's moving. When it's installed with a grill on the back, that ducting, it increases the pressure and it decreases the airflow performance. So this rig here just replicates that performance and the pressure of, say, an external grill put on the back of the fan. Now if I grab one of these fans here, competitor fan, readily available through your wholesaler chain, if I put that one on, there's no movement at all in that disc. You can see it's not moving. I give it a little blow, you can see that disc has moved. So when it came time to developing that fan, they got pretty close to getting it right. They just didn't quite spend enough time on it. Probably even 5 more minutes would have got it right. Another major competitor, put that fan on there, again, nothing, no movement at all. Now this one here, it looks very similar to our domestic wall fan. It's even rated at 120 cubic metres an hour. Ours is rated at 95. So you'd expect more airflow performance from it. Again, I put it on, nothing. When it comes time to contractors checking to see if the fan's performing, this here is the industry test tool. So put that on there, it'll hold that up there, but it's not actually moving any air. It just created a little bit of lower air pressure on one side than on the other. So if I grab our domestic 100, put that on that rig, you can see that disc moving. So you put that fan in and walk away comfortably knowing that it'll actually move air. This is our silent 100 fan, the quietest fan in the market and the most powerful, as you're about to see right now. If I put that one on the rig, you can see it races up through that tube. So when it comes time to buying a fan, don't be fooled by what's on the box, look for the box. Make sure you look for these yellow and black Fantech Trade boxes. Thank you and have a good day.